Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are McPeek
Adventures.
Adventures. On today's adventure, we are actually doing another pit stop where we just take a quick look at something cool. Today we are at Oral Roberts University and we will be showing you the praying hands. The praying hands are located at Billy Joe Daughtry Circle and South Lewis Avenue.
If you type in the praying hands into your GPS at Oral Roberts University, it may or may not take you right here. So just FYI, if you're looking to find these giant praying hands, the Welcome Center is just to the right of them, and then there is the library right behind. So if you type in the Welcome Center for Oral Roberts University or the library, it should take you to this general area.
These are the famous praying hands. This is going to be a 60-foot tall bronze statue. At the time it was made, it was the largest bronze statue in the world. This was created down in Juarez, Mexico, and then shipped all the way here to Tulsa, Oklahoma. All right, adventurers, this concludes our pit stop to Oral Roberts University viewing the praying hand sculpture.
If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure.